Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the concept of Roman numerals. And according to me, you have already done this concept in class 5th also. Fine. Yes, Natansh, you raised hand. Any doubt? Unmute yourself.
My hand is not raised from my side.
Okay, okay, okay. But यहाँ पे बेटा मुझे आपका hand raised दिख रहा है. Fine, no issue. Now tell me, in the list of Roman numerals, in total we have how many symbols? If I am talking about the concept of Roman numerals, then how many symbols in the list? Very good, Shiven. No, Ranesh, your reply is incorrect, dear. Look here. In total, we have 7, not 10, Natansh. No, 7 symbols. Fine, main 7 and first of all, this is 1. After that, we have 5. Then 10. After 10, 50. For 50, you will use capital L. Then C, capital C for 100. Capital I, capital V, capital X. Don't write small. Then D, 500 and N, 1000. Okay. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 main symbols in the list of Roman numerals. Now, rules are already with you. I am going to explain some based on Roman numeral. First of all, first question, note down side by side. Write in Roman numeral. Fine. A part is 73. Now, students, listen to me very, very carefully. Whenever the question is based on write in Roman numerals, then first of all, write down the given number in the expanded form. This is your first step. Don't write solution directly. Solve your sum step by step. First of all, write down this in the expanded form. So 73 is equal to 70 plus 3. This is the expanded form of 73. Now, check. 70. For 70, we have no symbol in this list. What happened, Toesh? Yes, unmute yourself. Now look here. Check 70. For 70, we have no symbol in this list. You have any doubt, Toesh?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, if the symbol is not present in the list directly, then you will again break this number according to the list. And students, listen to me very, very carefully. In the exam, if you will not explain the procedure now, then your marks will be cut. I want complete explanation. Don't write result only. Okay. So this is the first step. 73 is written as 70 plus 3. After that, 70. For 70, we have no direct symbol in this list. So again, break 70. And whenever you will break, always break under the bracket. Fine. So 70 is written as 50 plus 10 plus 10, and 3 is written as 1 plus 1 plus 1. Very much compulsory to write these steps. Now, this is 50 available in the list L. This is 10 available here. So X, 1, 2, 3. So this is the Roman numeral for 73, and 73 is Hindu Arabic. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे what is the name of 73, then you will say 73 is in Indian system or in Hindu Arabic system. Hindu Arabic. Okay. If in exam you will observe write Hindu Arabic in Roman numeral, तो ये मत कहना ये हिंदू अरबिक क्या होता है, हमने तो कभी सुना ही नहीं. This in numbers, this system is known as Hindu Arabic system. 73 ये मैंने लिखा, 50 this is 50 according to which system? Hindu Arabic system. Fine. So come to the next term. Yes, Gurshid. Definitely, I will explain more. Fine. Don't worry. Second question. 92. 92 in Hindu Arabic. This is in Hindu Arabic. So first of all, you will, what is the first step? Quickly write down in the chat box. Rest of the students, write down in the chat box. Very fast. Very good, very good. Yes, well done. Expanded form, 90 plus 2. Now, this 90, is this 90 present in the main list? Yes, yes or no? For this 90, you have direct symbol or not? No. Yes. It means we will modify it. Now, I am going to modify 90 as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and 100 minus 10. Now, students, tell me, out of these two, which is correct formation for this 90? This is number 1 and this is number 2. According to you, which thing is correct for 90? 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 or 100 minus 10? Ranesh? Yes, Ranesh, unmute yourself. Abhinav Chopra, unmute yourself. Yes.
100 minus 10.
Acha, why this is not correct for this 90? Why the first one is not correct formation for this 90? Give me the explanation. I want explanation. Yes.
Ma'am,
What is the reason? The reason is repetition only 3 times at most. Repetition, अगर आपने किसी को रोमन न्यूमरल में लिखना है तो रिपीटेशन कितने टाइम्स होनी चाहिए? एट मोस्ट 3 टाइम्स. यहाँ पे 10 की रिपीटेशन कितने टाइम्स हो गई? बताना मुझे. यहाँ पे 10 खुद को कितनी बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं? Abhinav Chopra, unmute yourself.
ma'am, 4 times.
Yes. The reason is If we want to write any number in Roman numeral, then repetition at most 3 times. But this is the repetition 4 times. So that's why this is incorrect. Fine. So write down under the bracket always.
XC.
Now listen to me बेटा, मैंने आपको पहले बोला पेपर में डायरेक्ट XC लिख के आओगे, मैं तो नंबर नहीं दूंगी. I will not give you full marks. I want each and every explanation. This is mathematics. आया कहाँ से XC? I want explanation. Fine.
Ma'am, 10.
Yes. So first of all, you will split this under the bracket 100 minus 10, then 1 plus 1. Always split the number under the bracket. Now students, listen to me very, very carefully. This is a very important property. Whenever you will observe minus, whenever you will observe minus, then smaller symbol on the left hand side. The symbol for 100 is C. The symbol for 10 is X. This is the property that you will use in minus only, subtraction only. Fine. Whenever you will observe subtraction symbol, write smaller letter on the left hand side. So XC1 1. This is very important to note. Very important. जब भी आप माइनस ऑब्जर्व करोगे ना, तो आपने स्मॉलर सिंबल को पहले लिखना है, बिगर सिंबल को बाद में लिखना है. This you will follow only in minus. Keep in your mind. Fine. Now come to the third question. Third we have next sum we have 69. Now Kritagya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me
Ma'am,
the
first we will write equal to 60 plus 9.
this is what? 60 plus 9 is what?
Ma'am, 60 plus 9. If we will add 60 plus 9, it will make the number 69.
This is
Then
expanded.
we will write-
Kritagya, you will say this is the expanded form of 69. Okay?
Okay.
Now, tell me, in the main
Then-
list, you have 60.
Then we will make a bracket.
Yes.
Then we will write 30 plus 30.
30 plus 30. 30 plus 30. Kritagya, always split number on the basis of main list. In the main list, we have 1, 5, 10, 100, 500, and 1000.
Ma'am, we will write 50 plus 10.
Yes, 50 plus 10. Always split number on the basis of the main list. 50 plus 10. And what about 9?
Then we will write 5 plus 4.
5
Ma'am, 10 minus 1.
10 minus 1. Pratigya, one more time I am going to repeat. Always break the number according to the main list.
Okay, ma'am.
मेन लिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग आपने इसको ब्रेक करना है. जैसे आप 5 plus 2 में ब्रेक कर रहे थे, मेन लिस्ट में हमारे पास 2 है ही नहीं. ये अपनी मेन लिस्ट देखो, मेन लिस्ट में 2 है ही नहीं है बेटा हमारे पास. ओके, सो द सिंबल फॉर 50 इज L. This is X. This is X. This is I. Now plus LX. And what about this minus?
Ma'am, we will write 1 and x.
Yes. In minus, letter related to smaller number first, then letter related to bigger number. So this is the Roman numeral for 69. So Kratigya, revise all the rules fine. Nishchay, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, fourth question. The question is 98. Tell me. 90.
Ma'am, first we will 98, 90 plus 8.
Yes.
Ma'am, first.
90 plus 8.
And
And what about next?
then we will write 50.
50.
No, ma'am. 10 minus 100 minus 10.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Under the bracket, 100 minus 10. Okay. And what about 8?
Ma'am, 8 is equal to 10 minus 2.
No. 10 minus 2. ये 2 देखना है मेन लिस्ट में. मैंने आपको क्या बोला है? जब आपने ये नंबर ब्रेक करना है, मेन लिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ब्रेक करना है. आप लिख रहे हो 10 माइनस 2. 2 कहाँ है हमारी मेन लिस्ट में? देखो, मुझे तो कहीं नहीं 2 दिख रहा. ये हमारी मेन लिस्ट है. मेन लिस्ट में 1 है, 5 है, 10 है, 50 है, 100 है, 500 है, 1000 है. 2 तो है ही नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर 10 माइनस 2 तो आना ही नहीं है. Always break the number on the basis of this main list. I am repeating again and again. Okay. So you will write, very good Gursheen, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus
Okay,
1.
ma'am.
हमने, the rule is a number repeat itself at most 3 times ना. तो हमने इसको 3
Yes, ma'am.
करा दिया. काव्या, incorrect. Your reply is incorrect, काव्या. आपने
Ma'am, so it,
काव्या, आपकी ब्रैकेट बेटा गलत है.
मैम ये बन जाएगा फिर 1.
Yes.
मैम 1 minute.
बोलो बोलो. This is C, this is X, this is 5. हाँ बोलो.
X C.
Yes. Now minus smaller letter on the left hand side, XC. ये प्लस है, प्लस में कोई इंटरचेंज नहीं होता, डायरेक्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. जब ये प्लेसेस इंटरचेंज होती हैं, ये कब इंटरचेंज होती है? माइनस में. प्लस में कोई भी प्लेस इंटरचेंज नहीं होती.
नहीं होती.
Now
Okay,
write.
ma'am.
Now students, write down, then we will start next. Next we have Shantanu, unmute yourself. Shantanu Sharma. Shantanu, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me, write 400 in Roman numeral.
400.
Tell me, how can you write 400 in Roman numeral? No? Yes or no, beta?
No.
No. Okay. Now look.
No.
No issue. Look here. 400 is written as 500 minus 100. बेटा मैंने आपको क्या बोला? Listen to me very carefully. If the letter for this number is not present in the main list, then you will break your number according to the main list. मेन लिस्ट में हमारे पास 400 के लिए कोई भी रोमन न्यूमरल का सिंबल नहीं है, ठीक है। इट मीन्स हम 400 को ब्रेक करेंगे लिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग। हमारी लिस्ट में गुरशीन 300 प्लस 100 नहीं आएगा। अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ गुरशीन, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। गुरशीन, आर यू हेयरिंग मी?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा मैं आपको क्या कह रही हूँ, जब भी आपने नंबर को ब्रेक करना है, लिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ब्रेक करना है। आपकी लिस्ट में 300 के लिए कोई सिंबल है? टेल मी।
No, ma'am.
तो फिर आप इसको 300 में लिख ही नहीं सकते। वैसे भी अगर आप इसको 300 प्लस 100 लिखोगे, फिर आप इसको 100 प्लस 100 प्लस 100 प्लस 100 लिखोगे, ये तो गलत है। ये तो 4 टाइम रिपीटेशन हो गई। नंबर ने खुद को 4 टाइम रिपीट करना ही नहीं है। अ नंबर विल रिपीट इटसेल्फ ओनली 3 टाइम्स। ये गलत है बेटा। आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, whenever you will break any number na in plus or minus, always break according to the main list. In the main list we have 1, 5, 10, 100, 50 भी है, 500 and 1000। ये मेन लिस्ट है। यहाँ कहाँ 300 है? मेन लिस्ट में है ही नहीं। हमारी मेन लिस्ट में 500 है और 100 है, तो मैंने 400 को लिख दिया 500 माइनस 100। आपने सिर्फ एक बात माइंड में रखनी है, ऑलवेज स्प्लिट नंबर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मेन लिस्ट। दिस इज द मेन लिस्ट। सो द सिंबल फॉर D 500 is D and for 100 is C. Now what is the result, Gursheen?
Ma'am.
माइनस है।
C.
हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो।
Ma'am, CD.
Yes, very good. CD. Yes, CD. Because in minus, smaller letter on the left है first and then bigger. Fine. Now Gursheen.
Okay, ma'am.
Now Gursheen, next question
Yes.
for you. मेरे साथ अगला सम सॉल्व करो आप। Next
Okay,
is
ma'am.
yes. Next is 84. Next is 84. Tell me.
One.
What is the first step? 84.
First, write in expanded form.
Tell me the expanded form of 84.
Ma'am, 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10.
बेटा 84 की एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म है 80 प्लस 4। 84 की एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या है? 80 प्लस 4, नॉट 50 प्लस 50। दिस इज वंस, दिस इज टेंस। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म। द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ 84 इज 80 प्लस 4। नाउ अंडर द ब्रैकेट यू विल राइट 80 को 50 प्लस 10 plus 10 plus 10. And what about 4? What about 4?
Ma'am, 5 minus 2.
Yes, very good. 5 minus 1. Okay. अच्छा, आपने इसको ऐसा क्यों नहीं लिखा? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.
Ma'am, because it's wrong. वो 3 से ज़्यादा उठा नहीं
Yes,
सकता.
yes. Very good, very good. Yes. So this is plus L X X X. So this is I or AB. This is the Roman numeral for 84. So this is known as expanded form. 84 is written as 80 plus 4. Fine, Gursheen.
Yes.
So revise. Now write the next. What is the meaning of this bar in Roman numeral? You know, whenever you will observe this bar over the Roman numeral, what does it mean? Anyone? Anyone? Divya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of this bar?
Ma'am, 5,000.
Nee, what is the meaning of bar?
Ma'am,
बार, ये जो अपर में बार है, ये बार किसका है?
मैम ये 1000 का बार है।
हाँ जी, ऐसे बोलो, ठीक है? ये किसका बार है? 1000 का।
1000।
So this is the symbol of 5. So 5 multiplied by 1000 will give you ऐसे। आपने सही बोला था 5000, but कैसे 5000? You have to give the explanation. The meaning of this bar is multiplication by 1000. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Now write down next. Write in Hindu Arabic. The question is write in Hindu Arabic. My question is XL. Roman number is given to you. The question is to write in Hindu Arabic. Fine. Now students, listen to me very, very carefully. This is 10. This is 50. You know now? This is 10 and this is 50. Now, smaller letter on the left hand side. What does it mean? What does it mean? Smaller symbol on the left hand side. If you will observe smaller symbol first, then addition operation or subtraction operation. Very good, Manmeet. Well done, beta. Subtraction, yes. So 50 minus 10 will give you 40. Yes. So keep in your mind, whenever you will observe smaller letter on left hand side, और आप बोल सकते हो पहले, सबसे पहले अगर आपको small letter मिल रहा है और bigger बाद में है, it means minus operation, subtraction operation. Fine. Now come to the next. This is first, second. Again, the question is write in Hindu Arabic. Yes, this Roman numeral is given to you. The question is to write in Hindu Arabic system. Smaller, bigger. X is smaller and C is for bigger. It means, yes, tell me. Manmeet, unmute yourself. Manmeet, raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Yes, Manmeet, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. Now tell me, XC1V.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आई।
My voice is audible, beta. How can we write this number in the Hindu Arabic?
Ma'am, first of all, we will write 10. Then we will write 100.
यहाँ पे 10 फिर 100 फिर क्या करें?
मैम अब हम 100 पहले लिखेंगे, then we will write minus, then 10.
Yes, ऐसे बोलो ना. Very good. So this is 10, this is 100. So 100 minus 10 under the bracket. Okay, मनमीत आपने माइनस क्यों किया? What is the reason?
मैम माइनस इसलिए किया क्योंकि जो 10 है वो राइट हैंड साइड में है.
लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है.
ओ सॉरी मैम, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड.
फर्स्ट प्लेस पे. तो जब भी फर्स्ट प्लेस पे स्मॉलर सिंबल है, इट मींस क्या होता है? माइनस. ओके, देन व्हाट अबाउट दिस?
मैम नाउ वी विल पुट प्लस एडिशन साइन.
Yes.
Now we will put 1, 5.
What about next?
And now we will write 5 minus 1.
Very good, well done. So this is 90 plus 4 will give you 94. 100 minus 10 will give you 90 and 5 minus 1 will give you 4. So what is the result? 94. Very well done, beta. Shivain, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Shivain. Next question is XL this. Now tell me, how can we solve?
Ma'am, first we will L minus X is equal to 50 minus 10.
Under the bracket, 50 minus
50 minus 10.
Then plus, what about next?
Then 10 minus 1.
10 minus 1. It means 40 plus 9 will be 40.
49.
Yes.
49.
And students in exam want complete explanation. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't solve your sum. Don't write 49 only. Aaya kaise 49? You have to write how 49. I want each and every explanation. अगर ये 94 आ रहा है तो ये 94 कैसे आया? कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं, पेपर में डायरेक्टली इसको 94 लिख के आएंगे. आया कैसे? I want explanation. Then you will get your full marks. आया कैसे? Smaller Roman letter on the left hand side. It means subtraction. Bigger में से smaller क्या होगा? Minus. Then plus 5 minus 1 you will get 94. Okay? I hope the concept of Roman numeral is clear to you. And today I will send 5 sums based on Roman numeral. And you will solve that 5 sums in your fair notebook. Fine? Now, next we have, now I am going to explain the concept of whole numbers. Chapter number 2, whole numbers. Okay? Chapter number 2, whole numbers. No, on Monday. Nishay, on Monday. On Monday, you will send your notebook to me. Fine? Not today. Now, anyone, tell me, what do you understand by the term whole numbers? In chapter 1, we have completed the concept of natural number. Tell me, what do you understand by this whole numbers? Anyone? If you want to reply, Shivain, unmute yourself, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what are whole numbers?
मैम जो नेचुरल नंबर के साथ जीरो के साथ लगते हैं.
वेरी गुड. नेचुरल नंबर में अगर हम जीरो ऐड कर दे तो लगते नहीं है. इन नेचुरल नंबर इफ वी ऐड जीरो, if you will add one more member in the list of natural numbers will start from 1 now. This is the collection of natural number.
Yes, ma'am.
And if we add 0 in this family, and always write this collection in curly brackets.
Brackets.
Yes, because this is a collection. Collection always under the curly bracket. So, if in the family of natural number, you will add one more member, that is 0. Then this collection is known as whole numbers.
Number.
Family of whole numbers. 0 is the first whole number, and like natural number, it is not possible to find highest whole number. Okay, because this list is in continuity. So rest we will discuss on Monday. Bye bye.